Hello, this is Francis from Good Team, and I'm going to show you how to view all activity on a contact record. Um, this seems like a very simple task, but if you don't know how to do it, it can be very frustrating when you're trying to see what emails or workflows or any sort of online activity that a contact has made, and you can't figure out why you can't see it. So if you're on your home page, you're going to navigate to Contacts, and then you're going to select a contact to view just by clicking on their name. You're going to enter into their contact record. So you can see that you've got some tasks here. You've got a call, email. You can see that their life cycle stage has been updated, how the contact was created, etc. But maybe you want to see what workflows they've been enrolled in, or you notice that there's something that you know that has happened, but it's not showing up. You can see up here where it says filter activity, 23 out of 27. That means that 23 are selected, but things like workflows, Salesforce Sync, list memberships, and analytics events are not selected. So you can select all by hitting select all, deselect, and just check what you want. And you should be able to see everything is visible after that. So that's how you view and filter activity on a contact record.